Hey Snapchat fam, you got some old or awkward chats you wanna get rid of? Maybe you sent something embarrassing or your chat list is just too cluttered. No worries, today I'm gonna show you how to delete chats from Snapchat in just a few easy steps. So first open Snapchat and swipe right to get your chat list. Here's you'll see your recent conversation, but don't worry, we're about to clean it up. Now find the chat you want to remove, press and hold on the person name until a menu pops up. You should see an option that says chat setting. Tap on it. Inside chat setting, you'll see a clear conversation. Tap on that and Snapchat will ask, are you sure? If you're 100% ready to say bye-bye to that chat, hit clear. And that's how the chat is gone from your list. But remember, this doesn't delete messages from the other person's account. Now, if you don't want to clear the whole chat but just want to delete certain messages, here's what to do. Open the chat, press and hold the message you want to delete, tap delete and confirm. Snapchat will remove it from the conversation. But heads up, the other person might still see a message deleted notification. Wanna make sure your chat auto delete after viewing? Go to chat setting, tap delete chat, choose between after viewing or 24 hours after viewing. Now Snapchat does the deleting for you. So if this felt helpful, drop a like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Snapchat hacks.